Hey everyone, it's Neil, and if you want to look like a really cool gangster dude or something like that, I mean, check this thing out here. Let's see what we got. We have this cool, thick necklace chain. So we're gonna check this out here. So look at this, I got this on Amazon. Let's see. I actually got a really good deal on it, so I'm like, okay, whatever. It came up as a suggested thing. Oh man, how do you even open it? Guess with these. Man, this plastic is like the strongest plastic. Very well protected. Is there some way, is this supposed to unwrap? I don't know. Oh man. Well, I got it halfway undone. Okay, I think I got most of it off there. There we go. So check this out. This is the Super Gangster Thug, whatever you call it, necklace. Well, there's still some pieces of plastic hanging on it because I didn't take it off very good, but check this out. It's got like little diamonds in it, or little pretend diamonds. So this is the necklace. So we're gonna try to put this thing on and see what it looks like. See how cool I look. Probably more for a woman than a man, but whatever. But unless I want to look super thug, there. How's that look? Pretty funny. But that's a super thick necklace. And now I'm gonna be wearing it forever because I can't figure out how to open it. Nope, there we go. So see, it's got some little bit of weight to it. I can't say anyone's gonna really think it's real, but it looks kind of cool. Definitely if you're like wanting to wear something super sparkly, some costume jewelry, this would be something you'd want to pick up. Kind of cool, I like it. And it looks like the clasp is really strong. So you put the clasp in like this, it clips in, and then you have it secure on that side and secure on that side, which is crazy. Super secure, way more secure than I actually have like a real necklace. My real necklace only has like the one little clasp on it. So there we go. So that's what it looks like. This is the gold one, and I'm guessing it's like 20 inches or so, or I don't even know if it's that much, maybe 18. Cool though, I like it. Kind of cute. I don't know. I mean, I'm not gonna wear it, but I'm gonna give it to somebody to wear so they can wear it when they wanna look cute. Maybe for like a little kid even, it'd be awesome. So there we go, so thumbs up, and I'll put a link to this in the description if you guys wanna pick one of these little things up for yourselves. But as far as a review or anything like that goes, I mean, the links aren't welded together necessarily, but as far as wearing it around or something like that, it's gonna look fine. I mean, it looks as goldy almost as a gold something necklace. So I like it, thumbs up from me. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some other reviews too. Bye. Hey everybody, if you saw my other review, this is another one of the same things, but it was the silver one. So I guess, I don't remember if it was a 2-pack. I bought it so long ago, I haven't even really looked at it. Oh, this one comes with a card in it. I don't know. Oh, contact us for support or whatever, blah, blah, blah. I don't know what's gonna happen if all that thing, but there we go. So here's the chain of the second one, and it's equally wrapped up in this plastic that is gonna be a nightmare to open again. There's gotta be some better way to do it. But obviously the other one was gold, and this one's not. This one's silver. Silver looking. I wonder if it'll get rusted and make your skin turn green. I guess we'll find out. Gosh, this is the hardest thing to get off. It's definitely a durable necklace because it's not falling apart when I'm ripping at it so much. Oh, yeah. I think this looks longer than the other one. Oh, yeah. There's got to be a better way to open these things up. I don't know how if somebody old bought one of these, they'd be able to even open it. Let me try slicing it down the middle, see if that makes a difference. Can't really even slice it. plastic bits all over my place. This is so funny. Okay, come on, I gotta be able to do better than this. Oh yeah. I think I did better on the other one. Oh, yeah. I might just call it quits. This one actually feels about the same as the other one. So if you saw the other video, as far as the weight goes and stuff, it might be even a little heavier. Oh, I'm so close. So close. Oh, okay, there we go. I think we got most of it off at least. Okay, so check this out. So this is what this one looks like. This is a silver version of that same other one with the shiny stuff. Let's see, let's put it on here and see if it's about the same length. It looks like it is the same length as the other one was. So this is what it would look like on me. But it looks pretty cool. So this is it. This was the gold one here. So that's what it looked like once it was unwrapped. But pretty cool. I mean, if you're looking for some kind of costume jewelry stuff, you can see the links are not necessarily welded together, but it's pretty good though, and it's a nice little shiny, sparkly thing. So it would look good, especially for like a kid or something like that. So that's a cute little necklace. I like it. I'm not gonna say thumbs up from this. It seems durable. The little clasps and stuff seem like they're gonna last. Doesn't seem like this is gonna fall apart or anything. I mean, I wouldn't say it's gonna be as good as any kind of silver or gold real jewelry, but hey, but it's something fun to wear. And so if somebody likes it, thumbs up. So be sure to like this video. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description. Like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with some other reviews soon. Thanks, bye.